Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. For those of you joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Okay, just take your time to browse through the channel. This is a channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. So you can just browse through the channel, learn my strategies, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said, we will be analyzing the market together, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the QDC trend milker, 3M trend milker trading indicator. Okay, that is what I'm using to do my analysis right here. Okay, this has been on downtrend for a very long time, broke out from most support zones, but right here it has got into this support zone and tried it out several times. I've not been able to break out from there, so this will be going back on buy trend. Okay, but it has got into this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it will be trying it out again. Once it breaks out above it, then the next resistance zone, which is somewhere around there, is what we should be looking out for. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, still on 5-minute time frame, and of course I'm still using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, but was unable to break out below the support zone, so it went on buy trend. It got to this region, pull back, and we'll be trying it out again. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity also than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, still on 5-minute time frame. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, so it's been trying to go back on uptrend, but it has not been able to break out successfully from the resistance zone, so it's still playing within that region. Okay, so it will be trying it out again. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, still on 5-minute time frame, and of course, just where we have seen it, it's been on downtrend for a while, got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, and of course it's buying at the moment. It will buy till it gets to somewhere here before it will continue with the sell trend. Okay, so this is going to be selling more than buying. Okay, it's going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it is done with the pullback. So the next asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it, this sold right from here till it got to this region, pullback, and of course it will be trying out this support zone again. It's unable to break out from this support zone, to be trying it out again. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely the next support zone is going to be somewhere here before it will get to somewhere here. Okay, so for now it needs to break out below this support zone, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, so this is very important, and if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God